Our project today is a JB4 install into an F82 M4. What a great car, and this just takes that car to the next level. This project is in collaboration with Mike of Extreme Powerhouse and really is a quick and simple, relatively simple way of increasing the horsepower in any car that you have, let alone something as magnificent as an M4. This is a little more complicated than some of the other JB4 installs because this inherently has the electronic wastegate connections already included, and there are two of them because the M4 is a twin turbo. Now, I've read in some places and seen some of the other information where people don't use the wastegate connections. They either tuck them away, don't plug them in. And on a couple of occasions, I've actually even seen people say just cut them off. Well, I can understand why they would say that because unless you're at currently map 7 or higher, they do you no good at all. But at the same time, plugging them in is such a simple thing to do. We're just going to remove one of the intakes on one side to be able to get to both connections. I don't know why you wouldn't do it, let alone cut those plugs off. So I'm going to show, in this case, I'm going to show the install plugging both of the electronic wastegates in because I see it as the right thing to do, and plus it'll set you up potentially for the future as you build through the improvements you make to your car. Alright, let's go out to the garage. Alright, we have the JB4 box. Now, yours may look a little bit different if you have the plastic housing. This is the upgraded aluminum housing. So with the plastic housing, you have to take a tool and very gently pry it apart. In this case, it's actually screwed together. And this is if I can read my own tools here. So this is a T15 or Torx 15. I've actually got the little security one here as well. I don't believe it takes that. So it's a T15 Torx to get these out. So just take these out and then the cover will come off.